Hello and welcome to another video on Gamma. In this video, I will show you 6 ways to search and explore your models in Gamma. First, searching for the models in the library. Here on the left, you have a library of models, and now you want to look for a model. You slightly remember the name, so you start the search by entering the name here. For example, let's search for predator-prey model, and then you get a list of models containing the name predator. Second, searching for the models already open in the editor. When working in Gamma, maybe you have too many models open in the editor. Then the tabs are too small to read the title of the model. In such a case, you can use Command E and start typing the name. Third, when you have a long model, sometimes it is too difficult to find the variables. In such a case, you can use Command O. It outlines your model. You can look for the variables in the model. For example, let's look for my cell. You can also see here the variable and its data type, like string, integer, float, RGB, etc. Fourth, in general, when you use Command F, which is common in many applications on Windows or Mac or Linux to search for what you're looking for, but an easier way in Gamma is to use Command G. Type your text such as a variable name, species name, etc. Once you have written the text, keep pressing Command G and you go to the next occurrence of that text. Number 5. Now when you're learning, you might want to go through some existing examples or the sample code on how to use an operator, for example. Existing examples in the library, in the models on the left, you can search all of them using Ctrl H. Any text you enter in Ctrl H is looked for in all the Gamma files in your library. Number 6. So far, we have only looked at models that are available on your computer. But there are many more operators and skills that you may normally not use. Sometimes you want to learn about an operator or a data type or a skill and you don't find the examples in the library. In such cases, you can search the entire Gamma documentation using Command-Shift-H. This will open the documentation online, so you need an internet connection. In summary, we looked at 6 ways to search models in the documentation. I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next video.